Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar, and in this video we're gonna see how to get the premium top tier models for free for 1 month. So go to your browser and search for Kiro and go to the first website Kiro.dev and hit the sign in button, and now you can select any of these given option to make a account. I will choose Google. Okay, as you know that we have already on the Kiro dashboard. Now I will request you to hit the upgrade button. Okay, now you will select the Kiro Pro plan and hit upgrade button, and as you can see that it is free for 1 month and it charges like 2000 rupees Indian rupees from the first date of next month, as it is already said that first day of each month you will be charged with $20 and plus taxes. So currently it is just 00. So I will enter my details and then I'll come up. So as I have filled my like details and it have updated the like tax and it increased, although it applied the balance, and our due is still 00. So we will hit the subscribe button. Okay, now it will ask for OTP. We will enter an OTP. So after successful authentication, your premium subscription will be like activated. As you can see that Kiro Pro is activated on my account. Now before proceeding to use it, I would request you to hit the manage plan so that we can cancel the subscription for now, because it will charge on the next month. So we will update the subscription, and now we will select. So on selected the free plan, you are mentioning that till the pro plan is activate, use the pro plan, and after the ending of pro plan don't charge me, just move my account to the Kiro free plan. Okay, so select the free plan and hit the continue. Now what we are doing is we are making our account to free after the like ending of subscription. Now go to the account and you can start using it. As you can see that we are still on the Kiro Pro plan. It doesn't remove your Pro features for now until the like Pro subscription ends on the 1st July. So now we will create the API keys. If you want to use it in like VS Code client or something somewhere else, I would recommend you using Kiro IDE, Kiro CLI. So download just both. Let me show you. It is downloading. Meanwhile, we can download the CLI option as well. As you can see that IDE is already downloaded. We will hit the IDE. It will launch the installer of IDE. And these are the wrapper of VS Code, let me tell you. So you can add them to like Windows directory context menu. Now hit the launch Kiro. Now you will hit the sign in button to sign in the like ID. Okay, continue to sign in. So as you can see that we are here. You can skip all the option if you want. Okay. Okay, you want to like set up the shell if you want. Okay, let me show you. Can we use it directly or we need to open a like directory? So let me open a directory very quickly. Now select the vibe thing and just hit the button. How many files are in this project and what programming language of they are. So as you can see that it is currently replying. So you can set the model to auto, or if you just close this. You can choose the model according to yourself. There are some free open source model as well. They cost very little, like QN3 Coda Next, GLM 5. So all the cloud models are there. Even DeepSeek and Minimax 2.5 models are all also there. So let us create a beautiful landing page using this. So we will give this command to Claude Opus 4.8 and it will generate the whole thing. Till now we will like install the CLI, Kiro CLI also. So as you can see that it is running and we are installing the CLI. Okay, we will launch the Kiro CLI. Okay, it is launching the IDE with Kiro. Let me try Kiro CLI. Okay, it is asking us to log in. You can launch the CLI using Kiro CLI. Okay, so you are not logged in, want to log in? Yes. So it will open the same thing in your browser. Just continue to sign in. So as you can see now we are logged into the Kiro and it is initializing on the first launch. So we can change the model like searching these. All the models are available here and we can like prompt here. As you can see it is working in the auto mode. If we change the model to something like Sonnet 4.6 and we give the last command again, it will give us the Sonnet 4.6. I am Sonnet 4.6. This is how you can use in the CLI. I am exiting it and our file is created. Let me show you how does it look like. So this is our file, Miss Carter's Classroom. So this is how it looks like. It is created by Opus 4.8. And let me tell you one other model. Let me tell you, just wait a second. And I gave the same prompt to the GLM 5.2 and this is the output. I will show you in the full screen. You can see the prompt here and you can see the prompt here also. Create a single page landing page, fictional school teacher. The prompt is same. And let me show you the output of GLM 5.2 and this is the output of Opus 4.8. Now we will see the output of GLM 5.2. This is the output of GLM 5.2 and you tell me which one is more better or which one it looks like pretty. And according to me GLM 5.2 output is much better than Opus 4.8. So I would recommend you like give a try to GLM 5.2, or if you don't know how to use it, I have made a video on it through which you can get the GLM 5.2 for free. So this is the video. You can try this. It is on the my YouTube page and then comment me out how do you like the GLM 5.2 and also comment out how does this video like help you or not. So and one more thing, you need credit card. I did not mention in the start of this video. I'm really sorry for that and thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.